How to back up Android app data before reset. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily back up all of your data on Android before factory reset. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go over to your settings menu down below. Once you open up settings, all you have to do here is basically find the option for account and backup. Tap on it. Then right below that, you'll find the option to backup data. So just tap on backup data on Google Drive. Now it's going to show up your phone, and you can easily select if you want your photos and videos or not. If you want them to back up, just tap on it, and you can just go ahead and toggle this button on to back up. Go back and you have other device data, including all of your messages, your call history, your device settings, and more. If you want to change your Google account, you can just tap on it and change it and select a different backup account. So once you've done that, you should be able to factory reset your phone and your data will be backed up. There's one other way that Samsung provides, which is via a temporary cloud backup. For that, go to General Management and then go over to Reset down below. Now just go ahead and tap on Temporary Cloud Backup. Now it's going to show you your profile. Tap on Backup Data down below and you should be good to go. Now you can go ahead and tap on Reset again. And you can find the factory reset data option down below. It's going to check a few things and you should be able to factory reset your phone. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.